Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully. So now I want to talk about how to get more views to your videos. And we're starting on the blogger side today. I am a pretty decent blogger. I get some pretty good traffic to my websites. I wanted to show you my baby website. This is Paperly People. This kind of supports my digital product store on Etsy. And one of the posts that rank the most, I have 1,000 shares on this, is this ARC notebook tips, and it's really a nice post. It's about how to get ARC planners and places you can get things. It has some affiliate links in it, and I really took a good amount of time to do this post so that I could rank well for ARC planners, and I do. It's wonderful. But then what I decided was that I should do a walkthrough video of my planner and show all the different tabs and how I actually used all this stuff. And because of that, it is one of my highest ranking videos on my YouTube for this channel. Okay? And the way that I can tell that there are people coming from Paperly People to those videos, I can't tell that they're coming to that exact video, but I don't have very many videos on that site. That's part of why I wanted to do it here rather than Marketing Artfully, where I get a ton of traffic from Marketing Artfully. It's a much more, lot of traffic website and things like that. So this is just a little normal website with a little normal video on it that just shows an overhead view of me walking through my planner. So this, and the sound is not great. I mean, it's not an amazing video, but it has a lot of views because it has almost 3,000 views because it's of a topic that's interesting to people that like ARC planners. I do refer some people to it, but mostly I get the views to it either from YouTube itself because I've SEO'd it correctly, or because they're coming from Paperly People. So let's look at that. So if you come into your Creator Studio and you go to Analytics, there's going to be a little drop down arrow like that. So go to Analytics and go to Traffic Sources and then do External. So 7% of this is coming from me. I've generated the views to this video from my website. So last 28 days, I've driven 471 minutes of watch time, 171 views to this video just by having it on a page that is found by Google. So this cross promotion, a lot of times what I'll do is if I have a page on my website, I'll be right back. I'll get you a good one. So a good tip is to go into your stats for your marketing. So this is my stats for my Marketing Artfully, my big website. And I went down, and this is a sponsored post I have, 7 hacks for selling t-shirts on Etsy using Printify. And I get 740 visits a month to that page. And then what I did was I made videos that are on that page. And so those views count in YouTube. Let's see, there's the video. So if they push play, they go ahead and they get to see that embedded in the blog page. If you have good traffic on your website, what you want to do is you want to be making sure that you're making videos for each of those. Like I said, it's kind of a symbiotic relationship. YouTube is driving traffic because, of course, I have a link to this post in the videos. And then my blog is driving traffic to the YouTube videos to increase their views. So overall, it is an amazing way to get more views for your YouTube videos, the easy way, but it's also a great way to get more traffic to your website. Tara Jacobson, Marketing Artfully.